I'm proud that I'm doing it. Otherwise, I could have been one of the corrupt minister, could have made millions of dollars and would have bought buildings here. But I'm proud that my soul is happy, and I have nothing to be feeling guilty. Because everybody have to work. If you are having expenses, paying rent, need money for your food, accommodation, then you have to work. It doesn't matter. I was before minister, still serving people, and now I'm a Lefrando career, driving Lefrando's services to people. Still is serving people.